Hello everyone, this is Mr. Lun. In last lesson, we learned about the interface of programming tools and also learned about how to write an Android application using buttons to control the appearance of text. So there is a point I want to clarify about Android. So let's see here. What is Android about? So Android is now the world's most commonly used smartphone platform, and it is used by many different phone manufacturers. For example, HTC, Samsung, and Sony, etc. So all those phone manufacturers, they use Android as the smartphone platform. So what about Apple? So Apple is another most commonly used devices, and its platform is called iOS, that is different from Android. So the Apple devices include iPhone or iPad, etc. However, App Inventor only supports Android platform. Okay, so if you're using an Android smartphone, then actually you can use App Inventor to download the apps on your phone. So in this video, we will show you how we can build the application in App Inventor and how we can download it and install it in our mobile phone. So you will see that this is the application that Mr. Lum built. So this is a game, and I would like to install it into my mobile phone. So the first step we need to do is to download the QR code reader. You will see that this screen, actually I used a software called a Power Mirror, which allows me to show through my mobile phone screen. So I simulate what I'm doing. So first step, I need to go to the Play Store and then type QR code reader. And I chose to download the second one. So you can just choose the one that you like. And after that, open the QR code reader. Alright, so this is the QR code reader. And the next step is you need to press the build function, the button here, build. So you click on it and it shows you there are two more buttons for you to choose. One is you can open the app provided by QR code for .apk. So this one .apk is the file name or file type of the application of mobile phone application. So we click on it, we want to generate a QR code for this application. So after you click on it, you will see that there is a Hunter progress bar. So because I renamed my mobile application as Hunter, so that's why we have Hunter progress bar. And wait for a few seconds, depends on your application size. And then you will see that there is a barcode generated by App Inventor. So what we need to do is we use our phone QR code reader to scan the QR code that is generated by the App Inventor. So after 1 to 2 seconds, you will see that there is a link. So some of the QR code reader allows you to open and download the application directly. Some of it will just show you the link. It's like this. What you need to do is you copy the link and go to the browser to run this website. So for me, I just click this one. And then what will happen is it asks you this type of file can have your device. Do you want to keep hunter.apk anyway? So as you know that you are the one who built this application, as long as you did not build any virus inside application, that should be fine. So we press OK. So after a few seconds, you will see that it asks you to open the file. So you need to click open, and then we just click package installer. Alright. So it says that Chrome, for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So if you see this notification, you need to go to the setting, allow from this source. So we allow Chrome to let us install application. We click on it and it says, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access, which means that this application will not ask you for any special access like the phone camera or your content needs, etc. So we just click install. Again, depends on your application size. After that, this one is the most important part. Is that um, blocked by protect. So again, the Play Store will protect us to download some application that is not from App Store or Play Store. So it says is that Play Protect doesn't recognize this app's developer. So which means that the app's developer is unknown, and you know that you are the one who built this app, right? So this is safe. And apps from unknown developers can sometimes be unsafe. So again, as you know that this is just a friendly reminder for you to know that sometimes you may download some application that is not recognized by the Play Store, and it may probably be unsafe. But this time you know that it is safe because you're the one who make it. So we click install anyway. So if you click OK, which means that it will be blocked. All right. So we click install anyway. So again, after a few seconds, download finish. All right. So what we need to do, actually you can go to the screen and you will see that there is a mobile application, YYPS Hunter. YYPS Hunter. Okay. So now I try to click on it. Done. That's the apps that I made. You will see that. All right. So what is the game about? So let me reset it first. I click reset. I choose the medium level. When I click start, the time will start counting on. I cannot change the level anymore. What I need to do is I need to use my finger to press on the basketball. And you will see the score here. Okay, all right, that is the apps that I made. I just spent probably 10 seconds to talk about what is that. But the main point is that's how we can build the application and download it in our mobile phone. So let me record the steps. All right. So we first need to open QR code reader, downloaded by or from the Play Store, and then we go to App Inventor, click Build, and then we click the first one, App provided by provided QR code for .apk. All right. After you click it, then you will see that there is a progress bar. When it is done, you will get a QR code in App Inventor. All you need to do is just use your mobile phone QR code reader to read the QR code. And then you will see the link. You click on the link, then you can download the mobile application. All right, that's all. So in next video, Mr. Choi and Mr. Wong will show us how we can use AI companion in our mobile phone and connect it with our computer. And some of you email me about emulator as well. You know that in the first video I showed you, I used an emulator to simulate what I'm doing when I do coding in App Inventor. So if you're really interested in emulator, you cannot just simply click on emulator. No, it requires you many steps to do. So let me quickly show you. So you need to go to Google and search emulator App Inventor. So actually, emulator is another way to simulate what you are doing, to show it on a simulator device for you to check your application. So it's similar to AI Companion as well, but I highly suggest you to go to the next video and see how Mr. Choi and Mr. Won tell us how we can use AI Companion. So if you're really interested in emulator, then you can go to this website, follow it step by step, download the emulator in your computer, and then follow the steps, open the emulator in App Inventor. That's how it works. Okay, but once again, that is complicated, and we highly suggest you to use AI companion. All right, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you still have any question, feel free to email me anytime or ask your subject teachers as well. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.